In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Steam in just 5 minutes. First, ensure you have the Steam app up and running on your computer. If you haven't installed it already, please download the latest version and get it set up before proceeding to maximize your experience. Now let's dive into the process. Begin by opening your Steam application. Once it's open, locate the login button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the app's interface. Click on login to proceed. Here you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Type in your account name and password. If you've forgotten these details, you might want to use the forgot password option to recover your account. After entering your details, hit sign in to access your account. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your Steam homepage. On this page, look to the top of the screen where you'll see your profile name. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. Within this drop-down, navigate to and select Inventory. Your inventory contains all your collected items, including trading cards, which are the key focus today. Next, access your inventory where you might notice a collection of trading cards. Trading cards on Steam are collectible items you earn by playing games. If you have a sizable collection of these, they could be monetized. Begin by carefully going through each trading card within your inventory. Explore the individual cards and assess their value on the Steam community market. For the cards you decide to sell, click on the option labeled Sell. This initiates the process of listing your card on the Steam market. In the Buyer Pays field, set a price for your card. Ensure to check the current market trends for your card to determine a competitive and reasonable price. Once you have set the price, confirm your decision by clicking on OK, put it up for sale. After you've put up your cards for sale, you can manage and monitor your listings. Head over to the Community tab located in the main navigation bar. From there, select Market to view all your active listings. Here you'll be able to track sales, adjust prices, and remove listings if needed. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the basics to earn money using trading cards on Steam. Regularly managing your listings and staying informed on market trends will optimize your selling potential. Thanks for joining me today and happy selling on Steam.